Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your phone has internet and the Gmail app installed. This speeds initial sync and keeps attachments small. Once done, tap the Gmail icon to open it. If you see a prompt, choose Add Account and enter your Google email and password. You may be asked to accept permissions. Make sure to allow sync so mail updates automatically. If you already have a Google account on device, Gmail opens directly to your inbox for immediate use. Once signed in, you'll land in the inbox. If not, open Settings Accounts and select your Google account to enable sync. You should adjust sync frequency and attachment download limits so large files don't hog data. Next, go to Gmail settings to toggle notifications, conversation view, and swipe actions. These reduce clutter and speed through messages. Make sure labels and priority inbox are configured so important mail appears first. These steps balance speed and battery life while keeping mail. You finish by customizing signatures, notification tones, and out-of-office replies so your account behaves how you want. For security, enable two-step verification in your Google account. This protects mail if the phone is lost. If a message doesn't appear or attachments won't download, force close Gmail, clear cache from app settings, and reopen. Make sure storage isn't full and your clock is correct. If problems persist, remove and re-add the account to refresh authentication and sync.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.